Hi guys, today we will be describing the settings of Carney existing formations. To add the script to the chart, we are picking indicators, writing down Carney. We have two scripts and the correct one is with the version in the label. To see the details we can read more, click the icon read more, and well, here we have some description of the script, some settings description, and as always you can boost the script. Please boost my script to give me feedback that they are useful for you. After picking the scripts there we will see the formations on the chart. Formation is marked by its shape, and the label at the end. By default, the labels are in a short form, and if you move over it, then the full name is shown. To see the settings, as always, pick the gearbox icon. Here you can pick what kind of formations should be shown on the chart. So we can find Gartley, butterfly, bat, alternative bat, A, B equals CD, crab, dip, crab, shark, cipher, and 50. And then we can say how big should be our formation, how long should be one arm of the formation. You need to remember that TradingView has its limitation on the script runtime. So if you cannot see any formations on the scripts and there is a sign of error with the script, you can just check the settings and well set lower values to have the results correctly. Because live is connected with some inaccuracy, then there is an inaccuracy param in the script. Now it's 30, so 3%, it's in promise, and it means that we are accepting that 3% of the price is an accuracy with which the formation is still valid. We can filter the duplicates, so if in one spot a few formations of the same type are ending, we can filter them out and only the first one will be shown. Confirmation, precision, and 3 bars, it's a settings that well you shouldn't be using, it's just for test. And well, you can pick the color of the line, of the shape of formation on the graph, line width, and the label settings, so you can hide the labels, you can show the short descriptions or full names. And there is also the result dialog. Result dialog is saying how many bars were analyzed, how many formations of which type were found on the graph, and there is also section for extensions, so you can mark them to get information about other scripts that I have that are using the harmonic formations. This one is the oldest one, probably it could be improved in many scopes, and the improvements were done with some newer ones. To find the scripts, the easiest way is just writing down the name of the scripts in the indicators search. Some of them may be still not available in the beta version, but just write to me. I will give you access help to find them and well describe all the doubts and well they may be paid. For example, Carney potential formation is with a symbolic fee. All of them are with trial, and well, please see next videos that are describing the scripts to see if they are useful for you. Thank you for your time. Have a good day and good luck in trading.